Hey there, pharmacy owners. Dr. Lisa Faast here from DiversifyRx, and I'm continuing my series on talking about a couple of niche products that you may not be aware of. In order to help your patients with these products, you have to know they exist, right? So next up is actually not a new product. It saw a resurgence, kind of a fairly large resurgence in 2024. Obviously, we're new into 2025, so I'm not sure how that's going to go in 2025, but it actually saw a huge uptick in usage and coverage in 2024. And it's a prescription vitamin called Zybeck. It's spelled really weird, Xyzbac. And it's a fantastic multivitamin. And it has one extra ingredient, though, that makes it useful for a specific subset of your patients. So it contains CoQ10. And so all of you that are pharmacists, your little flashbulb light went off. Yes, your statin patients. So this prescription product, I like to target statin patients with it because we all know every single statin patient should be on CoQ10. And we all know that 99% of the patients aren't. And it's not necessarily that they don't want it. They forget about it. They maybe bought it once. They didn't buy it again. Maybe, they weren't properly counseled. Maybe they were counseled and they just forgot what the heck the pharmacist said. There's lots of reasons they're not taking CoQ10. But we all know that it helps them with their statin therapy. And by golly, if we're going to put these people on statins, they need to be on the CoQ10. It's got lots of other vitamins in there that help them feel better and help with lots of other things. But that CoQ10 makes it really, really good fit for those statin patients. So if you haven't looked at Zybeck before, I would encourage you to check it out. Now, if you go to look for it at your primary wholesaler, you're not going to find it. Again, this is niche products that are only available from secondary wholesalers. So I'll actually post some secondary wholesalers below in our description too. That'd probably be helpful for you guys. So ones like Axia Healthcare, Wellgistics, KeySource, GRX, Green Hill, Real Value Products. There's several out there that do carry these. So chances are you might already have an account with them. And just look for patients that would benefit from this particular product, the Zybeck. It's your statin patients, I think, are the lowest hanging fruit that are going to benefit the most from this. And look for just getting a couple to go through. So I won't going to go through my whole high margin process. That's actually something I teach inside our membership to our members. But I want to make sure you're aware of these products. And because they can be very beneficial to patients, they do come with the manufacturer coupon. Now, with supplements, anything that is not an FDA approved drug, so anything that's a device, anything that is just not classified as a drug, make sure you don't use the coupon on Caremark. You want to make sure that you collect the copay from the patient because Caremark does not allow supplement or device copay cards, even though they're from the manufacturer, on their plan. So that's always a caveat with the supplement, but you can use it on all the other ones perfectly fine. And that way your patient gets a vitamin, helps them with those possible side effects from the statins, from the lack of CoQ10. The copay card will offset the copay for most people, and your patients will thank you for thinking of them and taking care of them completely for all of their healthcare needs. So if you have any questions about Zybeck or any other product in general, you can go ahead and pop them below in the comments. I am happy to help, and hopefully that was helpful to you, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye-bye.